Hello and welcome back to Ellen's Crochet Channel. My name is Ellen and I'd like to welcome you to Vlogmas 2025 Day 5, December 5th. So yesterday was December 4th, Vlogmas Day 4, and I showed everyone what I called my fugly Christmas sweater hat. And yeah, I have to agree, it's not really that ugly. It is funky, but it's ugly in a funky kind of way. So many comments were, oh, it's not ugly, it's cute, you know. So I said I would showcase another ugly Christmas sweater failure. So I made this poncho last year. Okay, and this was made with the formerly Joanne, the Christmas yarn, which is lovely, and it was Yuletide. The colorway was Yuletide, and it was supposed to be ugly. This pattern is Crystal Bag O'Day's Quick and Easy Poncho. It's one of my favorite poncho patterns, but you know, I thought it would work up ugly considering it's a variegated Christmas yarn, but everyone loves it. So this is another ugly Christmas sweater failure. So yeah, so far 2 for 2. Let's wonder what next year will bring. So I just thought this would be a little fun to show. My other failure when it came to ugly Christmas sweaters. So I did get some happy mail today, but I left it over there. So hold please. So I was prepared. I had my scissors today, but I forgot the happy mail. Now, if you know who loves flamingos. So this is self-inflicted happy mail to support, because I believe in supporting our fellow YouTube creators and friends. So this comes to me all the way from the nice warm state of Florida. It's rainy and damp and cold here where I am. But I placed this order last week, not last week, maybe 3 weeks ago. I don't know. It was made for me by the Crafty Floridian, Billy. Someone had sent her some beautiful, I'm gonna open this nicely because there is a bag I might be able to reuse. She has a double bagged. And so look forward to seeing this. So Billy is very, very talented. She crochets, she sews, she makes damn-it dolls, you name it, she does it. So somebody had sent her, a friend of hers had sent her fabric, and she calls this the Fruity Girls, and I just love it. I love everything about the beach, and this is a tote bag that Billy made that I asked her to make for me, and look how beautiful this is. It's got a beautiful pocket inside, lovely red. I just love Billy's project bags. They have a box bottom, and yeah, it's just so beautiful. Billy, you outdid yourself again. I absolutely love it. And look at that. It's the Fruity Girls on the beach. How fun is that? Okay. So yes, we need to support our fellow small business creators and friends here on YouTube. So if you need a project bag, I think this is probably my 3rd project bag that I've gotten from Billy. Yeah, I think the last one was the granny squares, and this one Fruity Girls. So, speaking of Billy, on, I believe it's Saturday, she's going to be holding an auction of items to support Camp Boggy Creek. A lot of creators on YouTube have donated. So go watch her channel on Saturday. I'm not really sure. I think it's 8 o'clock Eastern time, if I'm not mistaken. I will link it below. So yes, support Boggy Creek and Billy. And, you know, she has showcased several of the fabrics that she has. She's actually made, my last order had bowl cozies, you know, for with your soup and your chili and, you know, your homemade chili that you're going to be having. You know, you put it in the microwave, and when you take the bowl out, it protects your hands. Yeah. Billy the Crafty Floridian. If you don't follow her channel, go check her out. I just love my bag. The Fruity Girls on the beach. If you could see, there's pineapples and pears and peaches and bananas. All the Fruity Girls. I love it. I absolutely love it. So why are we here? We're here also for Vlogmas, day 5. Day 5, I have my Tangled Poets Advent and Crystal Bag O'Day's Advent. So let's get to the fun. Not that that wasn't fun, because that was fun for me. Let's see. Okay, so Tangled Poets. This was day 1, day 2, and day 3. And today we're going to be opening up day 4 of my Advent minis. Haven't looked. It's still in the box. And oh, yes, I see there is a theme. It's getting lighter and lighter. The purples are getting more lavender and lilac colors. So pretty. Let's put it on. Okay, that was day 1. Yes, day 1 had the darker. Okay, here we go. So it's day 1 and day 2. Day 1 had more blue. Then it got to more purple, a little bit deeper. So pretty. So that is my 4 days of Advent from Tangled Poets Aberdeen Wool. I have a 12-day. So I have 12 minus 4, 8 more days. Ellen, can you count? I'm just so excited every day when I come home to open up my Advents. Okay, and I am saving the boxes. Save them for next year. Okay, so now we have my Bag-O Day. This is my day 5 because Aberdeen Wool is a day behind. Number 17. I had mixed up 2 dates, yeah, but I think I'm on track. So day 17 is my day 5. I'm not mathing. I am certainly not mathing. So look how beautifully, oops. Okay, hold please, because I just went flying. Do you think I'm excited? Look how beautiful. Every day has been more, the yarn has been more stunning as the days go on, if that's possible. But obviously it is. So I'm gonna try and open this without cutting what's inside, because what's inside is, I know, is gonna be fabulous. I'm just taking a peek and I know what it's fabulous already. Just a little peek and I can see the beauty, even through the plastic. Another pretty sticker, Christmas tree. I'm gonna try and save some of them. See, like this one I can save. I'm gonna stick it right here on my mug for now. So let's see what this is. This is beautiful. Oh, this is it's Silk DK. It's okay. It's 55% blue face Leicester wool and 45% silk. It's a DK number 3, and the color is Dad's Flannel Shirt. Yes, that is definitely one of my dad's flannel shirts, or I could say one of my husband's flannel shirts. They were both hunters. Yep, and they both had flannel shirts exactly that color. Look at the beautiful red and the olive green and the brown. Dad's flannel shirt, beautiful, absolutely beautiful and spot on. Spot on. Look at those colors. Love it. I just love it. Every day, one is more stunning than the other. Crystal, your yarn and your color work is just beautiful. This is so soft. Really. This, the wool and the silk together, it's a 3-way DK, and it has 231 yards. I think that's what that says. 231 yards. Beautiful. Hand-dyed by Crystal at Bag O' Day. Yeah, I just blown away by the beauty of all of my yarn so far. Day 5. Every day gets more magnificent, although they're all magnificent, but lovely. That's my Bag O' Day. And my Aberdeen wool. And I'm hoping you're enjoying my unboxing. You know, I realize how lucky I am to have been able to get these curated Advent boxes. And I'm hoping that you are enjoying watching my joy. And I thank you for coming back and watching my silly antics because, you know, this has been a lot of fun for me. And I will see you tomorrow on the next Vlogmas. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of my craziness. And I hope you enjoyed my failures. My ugly Christmas sweater failures. And I will see you on the next one. Bye now. Yeah, it's a long day, but that's okay. I come home to beautiful yarn. Take care. Bye now.